that. I'm grounded right now, so I can barely play usually.
To be true. At least we're dominating them every round. I just saw Spider fly. Yeah, wait, what? Spider can actually
my
fly.
baby girl, my baby girl.
Look.
Go back in there. I'm gonna bring them. What?
Don't start the way yet. Don't
The
start.
laws of gravity.
Okay.
I like you when it's day. I like you when it's day.
Shut.
So nice.
Shut. I'm filled with determination. I'm filled.
Get them.
Everyone, Blue is literally a luck bar. Blue is a terrorist.
So you have a duck now
Bless bomb.
and new Viking costumes.
Guys, brush it up today. Don't joke about terror.
Yo, what?
Hey, do you play me?
No, I don't want to see my thing. I want to see my money.
How many bundles do I have?
Yo, I hate stick drift.
Bundles. Yeah, I don't know how many bundles.
Bro, I have stick drift. How is... No, don't be able to see my money again, bro.
And I owe all of them. Oh, it's
The game came out.
It's like they reskinned this thing. It's like blood red. Yo, what is this?
Would it be
Got
kind of you
new-
to like reload my gun? Excuse me, sir. Could you reload my gun?
Yo. They did... Okay, go on.
Oh, legs.
First look at this.
Oh, spiders. I'm
Man, I
seeing.
thought the dam was gonna be gone. This update. If y'all watch the... I can't see. What do I have in my hand? So I can eat it.
Zombie meat. Zombie meat. Hey, you. Open that. Open. Oh, no zombie meat.
Is this zombie meat? That what this is?
My guns
Oh,
are
that
loaded.
is.
Blue. My guns are
Put
loaded.
it in your stash.
Chill.
Okay.
Put it in your stash. That's a rare item. That's a rare item.
Wait.
That actually is. If you know what.
Why am I dying in...
I don't know.
Okay.
The very next day.
So you can buy pistol.
A zombie meat.
I think it depends what gun you actually have.
Change my server back to normal, y'all. What did I miss? What did I miss? None of my friends are online. Zombie meat is rare? Yo, it's not dark. Like, it's rare, apparently. Why can't you eat it then? I don't know what I'm doing. Yo, I can't do anything. I have stick drift. I can't do anything. Okay, I can see my money now. So I'm gonna just hold my thing like this. So I could, reset. Yo, you need to leave. Whoa. Yo. This is not fair. No, no, no. I quit. Stop. My lord, bro. Alright, I'm ending the video off. I'll make a better one soon, I guess. I don't know when this is being uploaded. Bye.